Hi guys! Nangita ba mo kabisihan sa inyong mga daughters and niece? So this video is good for you. So this is a magnetic paper dolls. I know for sure ganahan siya ng mga bata ani kay sa una ako sad before. Hindi kay kog palit ka na pitatag piso nga paper doll diha sa sari-sari store. So healing my inner child jud kaayo. So this paper dolls is available for Melody and Kurome character. So, tag 45 pesos na din siya each, guys. So, na siya bedroom, wardrobe, and dining area. So, mani siya ang freebies. Na siya 3 characters. Na siya dress, and habol, and also mga lotion, and etc. So, na siya another 1 character with bathtub and also dining sets. And this is the second one, the Kurome character. So, maunsa ni ang freebies niya, which are naa siya tuha ka dolls, blanket, for wardrobes, and also gamit sa iyahang schools. And nasa siya available 3 characters. Napod siya gamit sa music room nila. And these are the freebies for the magnetic dolls. So, foldable paper doll house. Then 3 folds the siya, guys, for your own convenience. What are you waiting for? Check it now.